Welcome back, everybody. We are going to be making some of our go-to Christmas candies that we have every year. Today we're going to be making peanut butter balls. I got this recipe from my mother-in-law years ago, and everybody wants these every year. You'll need 2 sticks of butter, 1.5 cups of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla. You'll need a pound of powdered sugar. You'll need 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I've got graham crackers. I'm just going to crush them up in the food processor. Then you'll need a bag of chocolate. You can have just milk chocolate, semi-sweet, dark chocolate, whatever you like. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You could use Crisco, butter flavored Crisco, whatever you like. Let's get started. Okay, you want to melt your butter. Put it in the mixer. You could use a hand mixer too if you want. Then you'll add your graham cracker crumbs, 1.5 cups. 1 pack of graham crackers makes 1 cup of crumbs. And your 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I may have said 2 tablespoons at the beginning. It's 1 tablespoon. And your powdered sugar. I'm gonna start with that much and just keep adding. Now you want to add in your peanut butter. It's 1.5 cups. Make a mess. And then you mix that until it comes together good. I'll show you what it looks like whenever we come back. Okay. It comes together just about like a cookie dough. So you can roll them up. We'll do that in just a minute. Okay, now just take some of the peanut butter mixture, roll them into balls. You can roll them as small or large as you want. We'll eat some of these, and I'll be sending our other son some. He lives in Pennsylvania, our oldest son. He looks forward to these each year. Daniel loves them, Doug. We all love them. Okay, I'm gonna take these. You want to chill them. I usually put them in the freezer for about an hour. You can put them in the refrigerator for a few hours, but they need to be set up and hard. Okay, Doug and Daniel, they're going to help me. We've got our chocolate. We're going to put some coconut oil in. and Doug's gonna melt it, and we're gonna be dipping the peanut butter balls.
Alrighty folks, we put in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use Crisco or any other kind of oil. We like coconut oil. And the other reason we're doing that there, it helped thin it out and make it easier about coating our peanut butter balls. And we're going to stick it in the microwave for approximately 30 seconds, and then we'll go from there. Just keep an eye on it. We don't want to scorch it. Scorched chocolate is bad. Let's do it.
Okay, here's the peanut butter balls out of the freezer. And then Doug and Daniel's gonna be dipping them, and he'll tell you about the chocolate.
Alrighty. This here's part of the fun right here. Throw them in, and then I like to use a fork. You can use little. Everybody's got their own little things and everything. Some people use toothpick. Just throw it in there, get it covered up. Now some of these here we're not going to cover up with chocolate. Of course you probably know dogs and chocolate don't mix. But also diabetics and chocolate don't mix. Now I've got a little touch of the sugar, and I love chocolate. That is so, but they are great without it. Now folks, like I always say, make this yours. I don't know if y'all have ever had little candy bars. They're called smoothies. It is peanut butter with butterscotch instead of chocolate. I really like it. Carolyn is not big on butterscotch. This would work well with white chocolate.
And that's one of Daniel's favorites.
Yeah.
Butterscotch.
Daniel, he loves butterscotch also. I don't know. It may just be a candy bar here in the South. I don't know. But also mallow cups. That is chocolate with marshmallow. Now
And
Carolyn, coconut. Carolyn really loves them. But no, like I said, just make it your own. And shoot, as far as that goes, you could even use peanut butter chips on there if you wanted.
White chocolate.
I believe I said white chocolate already. May not have. If not, white chocolate be good too, folks. But no, it's a little time consuming, but I like using the fork the best. I'm getting ready to turn this over to Daniel right now. And I'm going to go try to get tomorrow's video up for us. Hopefully here we'll get to make some more videos coming up. Apparently we're going to be out of work the next 3 weeks at least. Be nice if we could get the employment started. Between work and state of Tennessee, don't seem to be working out too good right now. And it ain't just me. About everybody that I'm working with right now is having difficulties. You seeing this, Shug?
Mm-hmm.
I mean on the camera. Just drop it down in there. Take your fork. Get it covered up real good. Like I said, everybody's probably got their own little tricks and everything. Now Carolyn had these little fellers in the freezer where they get real good and cold. And you can see they've already started the chocolate hardening up on them there. I'm getting ready to step out of the side here, and Daniel's going to take over for me. Alrighty folks, I'm turning it over to Dan. Alright. Now folks, I am no professional. I ain't no professional like Dad is. If you've seen the Easter video, you would know I am no professional at this. Go.
Takes me a little bit longer to do one. That's okay. Everybody does it their own way. You do it your own way too.
Okay, we have them dipped. We're going to put these in the refrigerator to set up, and then I'll put them in a container and you store them in the refrigerator. Hope y'all try these. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.